And so I'm so happy I got this truck fixed, but it's still not all the way fixed. You can't really tell right now, but occasionally this wheel has quite a bit of camber, and I finally figured out exactly why. Luckily, the rear main seal leak is no longer. I can park this thing in the driveway without worry. But let's get into why that wheel does what it does the stanky leg from time to time. So it's missing an entire piece from the... They're really on a dirt bike at 7 in the morning? Anyway, that thing is missing an entire piece from the frame. I'm gonna show you guys a clip right now. It looks insane. I wanted to get the lower control arm bushings fixed on it, but there's nothing to reattach it to. I don't know how this thing isn't bouncing all over the freeway, but it's not, thank God. Truck's driving absolutely awesome. Alignment is even, dare I say, perfect. I let my hands go on the, let the steering wheel go on the freeway. This thing's straighter than, honestly driving straighter than the Z. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can do to get this thing to the pop shop this week so he can weld something on for me and get this thing back right so I can get it rolling, start towing, and who knows, maybe even go camping with this thing. Stay tuned. See what I mean? The truck drives perfectly straight. I do still need to go ahead and get that other part fixed, so we're gonna go ahead and take this thing to the pop shop and get it handled. So we just got the AC done on this thing, putting a little bit of 91 in here. It's been driving around just fine, no issues, literally no problems whatsoever. But as you can kind of see now, like the wheels had like a slight camber. We know about the issue that's going on back in there. We're getting that fixed tomorrow by Rob at the pop shop. We're gonna be good to go. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with this tacky gold with the overspray. I don't know if I'm gonna end up fixing the bed or end up just kind of leaving it a little rough. But she runs like a beaut. This car is even better on gas than the white Tahoe, and the white Tahoe was even better on gas than the gold Tahoe. If you know, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and strap this thing on down. We burned through a whole hell of a lot of oil with that rear main seal leak, so it's super low on oil right now. And the change oil light actually just came on. Where are my keys? So I'm about to take it to Valvoline, since the sticker has this 367,000 is supposed to be my next oil change, but they got 150. I just hit 158K today. Oh yeah, oh there we go. I also have a little issue with the sticking ignition switch. I'll show you guys how to change that here in just a minute. Ooh, my feet feeling frosty with that good AC thing blowing. Sheesh. Oh yeah, that's nice. I gotta do something about that too, because that's ugly. We're not here for that. We are not here for that. You see right there, change engine oil level. I'm headed straight to Valvoline right now so we can get the full scoop. Let's get it. We're here at Valvoline. I'm staying in the car. They're doing the whole oil change, doing everything up there. Homeboy just checked my cabin air filter, and I got to change that like immediately. But we found out some interesting info.
Tire rotation, I don't know if you've done it yet. It will be 7,500.
No, I'm okay on that one.
Okay.
We found out some interesting info. The car actually did have about 340 something, maybe 350,000 miles before they rolled back the odometer in here to about 156
and
or
other
so.
stuff is past due is your differential, power steering and transmission, and your coolant.
Okay.
Those ones are past due. The most important one besides that is your transmission and your rear differential.
I'm gonna just do the oil for today. But yeah, we did find out the odometer got rolled back, so interesting there. The more I find out about this truck, the more that is wrong with it. But it's okay. I got it for a steal. It's kind of the reason why. But we're fixing it little by little. AC blows cold. I'm not gonna have to worry about the motor oil coming out anymore because of the rear main seal, which is fixed now. We're getting oil pumped in right now as we speak, and we're gonna go get that piece welded for the lower control arm and the bushings changed tomorrow. So everything's going to be running A1 out of this truck, so it'll be able to tow me any and everywhere every single time. All right, so we found out the hard way that this motherfucker had a whole lot more miles on it than it's showing. 158, 161, 158, 367,000. Are you kidding me? Hey man, that's crazy. I honestly want to believe that they switched out the motor and the transmission on this thing because it feels supremely flawless. Like it doesn't jerk when it shifts. It transfers the power smooth. The motor's strong, and like I said, this thing gets better gas mileage than both the Tahoes that I had. So my ABS light came on. This is the second time that it's done that. I'm gonna figure out what that is and get that situated as well. Just so I can have full peace of mind with any and everything. But I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep both of these stickers here because that's funny. That is funny, man. Still a good truck nonetheless. Gotta for sure get that damn control arm bushing attached firmly onto a piece of the frame that has to be freaking fabricated. But I know the right people, so we're gonna make it happen. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for more updates. What's going on, y'all? We are back in the Silverado, headed to the pop shop. My boy Rob about to weld on this piece, get the bushings reinstalled, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. AC blowing beautifully. Oh my goodness, I wish y'all could feel it. Sun shining nicely. Hopefully it don't get too hot. We are gonna be in San Bernardino. Apple said it was gonna be about 100, and Siri usually ain't too far off, so yeah, pray for me. I brought some shorts. We're gonna make this work, and hopefully I'm not getting here too late before the sun really gets to beaming. Let's get into this. Pulling up to the pop shop like what it do. Let me not hit the vert. Parking right here. What's happening, man? Let's get into it. It's too late.
Nigga, you over there coming over here with them tight ass jeans, man.
I left it in the hands of the mad scientist himself. Let him put the work in that he's gonna need. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna go pick us up some tortas las glorias. Best spot out here. And it's crazy because I've never even had a torta from there. The carne asada burrito is to die for. If you're out this way, you gotta try it. This little car stick shift, kind of fun on a little back road. Decent power for what it is too. But all right, about to grab this food, get back in there because it's hot. Here it is in all its glory. Man, tortas las glorias here with my boy Junior. First bite, what'd you think?
Fire.
Fire. See, I don't know why Rob over there playing, but I'm about to dive in. Let's see. Busting like it always is. I can't wait till I get down to the cheese. All right, I'm finna enjoy this. Bye.
Going up? Alright, that's good. Yeah.
Might as well change this ignition while I'm here. This thing gets stuck sometimes. Let's see if it'll do it right now. Yep. There we go. I didn't do nothing different any of those attempts. So yeah, just gotta go ahead and swap this out. Super simple. I'll show you guys how to do it in just a second. Man, we had to go ahead and get an entire new control arm. Make it out the way, man. All in my video. I mean, excuse me, father. Look at this nigga face. Man, move, man. Messing up my video. Nobody gonna see you.
You know what this shit is?
What? I'm trying to tell people what's going on. You trying to tell me what you just ordered, man.
Where the fuck did he go?
Anyway, I got this new control arm. It's gonna help us to get back right.
What you fucking recording, bitch?
Hey, watch your mouth, first of all. Grease, baby. What is this? It better be something good, too. You finally got your first tool set.
Fuck you.
Bro, you can't be cussing like this on YouTube.
I don't give a damn about you or two. Motherfucker.
What is this, bro?
It's my Deutsch connector set.
Oh, yeah? It's gonna be real connected, huh? Like Wi-Fi.
Not really. Yeah.
Wow!
I gotta do the wiring on my car.
Bro, that's so pretty.
No, it ain't. Shut up.
You're not nice, man.
I'm gonna bag up his shit right here.
Hey, don't be dragging that.
You
That
know
costs.
what? You say one more thing. You say one more thing. I want, man.
What?
One more.
One more? One more. I said it. See what this man done did so far. Oh my goodness. He fabricated the whole piece right there. We still need one more that goes at the top. I don't know if you can see those little white dots. You can see them white dots right there. Still need that top piece. This man's about to fabricate it, get it right, get me back rolling. Brand new lower control arm in here looking saucy. I'm excited, man. Oh yeah. Rob done hooked me up, man. He welded me on a new piece. Put the top piece on there as well. You probably can't see it too well because he done already spray painted it black, so it looks like the rest of the chassis. And that new control arm is just about in. I'm gonna put the spring back in just a second. This guy's the man. He mad at me. He kind of hates me.
Stop lying to the people. Your chassis is not black, nigga. That shit is rusty.
Hey, man. Hey, that's not nice. That's not nice. All right, people. So my rusted chassis now is spray painted black, courtesy of the Pop Shop.
No. That's not. That's the subframe. That's a different part of the chassis. Tell them, if you gonna talk, you gotta talk right.
Tell him.
I ain't saying shit.
You just said everything.
I ain't saying shit.
Tell him. Tell him what it is. Tell him what the real is.
It's broke. You said keep it 100.
Didn't I bring it to you to fix it? Well, it's still broke, man. Come on.
I fix broken cars,
What
not
this
broken
is?
trucks.
Oh, this the
You
car.
better not put this shit on that damn YouTube.
Why not? This is gold. This is the best content I done got so far. People obviously don't watch my drifting, so shit.
So why would they watch something about doing this? Go film that shit. Look, he taking the bed off that motherfucker.
He is taking the bed off it. That thing look crazy too. But you cooler, man. People want to see you.
Ain't nobody want to see me.
They want to see you in this.
Man, you see the dust on that motherfucker?
Knock the dust off that pussy.
Damn, I knocked the dust off that pussy.
Yeah, I want to see you in this. I don't even want to see you, but I want to see you in this. Whew. Big boy. Yeah, let's go see what these folks do. What?
Stop showing my car.
Ah, show it again. Let's see what they're doing over here. Hey, what you doing over here?
Okay, taking off lights, bro.
Oh, now you want me to check something out?
Nah, nigga, cause you a Z nigga. So you see this shit right here?
Yeah, lightweight drive shaft.
Nah, nigga, not just any drive shaft. So since I'm running the Z33 differential, I had to change my ratio. But see, it was a problem because these are 1350 U joints. So this is pretty good for any of you guys who's pushing high horsepower Z's. Most of you are running 1310 Spicer U joints. If it is Spicer, they probably just run some cheap shit. But I run Spicer U joints. For the flange of the 240 and for the 350Z, they're only accustomed to 1310 U joints, not 1350. So I found out a way to be able to make the Z33 differential have a 1350 U joints, which is if you're on the higher side of the 500 horsepower range. 1310 will last you to 500. So most of you motherfuckers is probably pushing under 500.
I for sure
But
know
for
I
the people
am.
who's pushing over 500 and want to run stronger U joints without having to run an adapter, I was able to figure out how to adapt the Z flange. I mean the 350Z flange for the differential to a 1350. This is not the flange for you guys' car, the 350Z. It's a different car, but I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is. So
You gotta holler at the pop shop if you need that work.
if you need that special.
Hello.
But up there, like this is a 3.5 inch diameter. So depending on how thick you want to have it, depending on how much horsepower you want to have it, you want to have something with a thicker wall, something that's stronger. This motherfucker's balanced all the way through, and I ain't even have to use weights. That's how proper this motherfucker is. It hit for a good penny, but like I say, we running Spicer U joints 1350 sizing with a 3.5 inch drive shaft, so it's pretty fucking cool. So yeah, if y'all need that custom setup without having to run an adapter on the back, holla at your boy.
Holla at your boy. You know where to find him. Man, I couldn't be happier with this thing. Rob got it back right. The lower control arm, the new one is on there. This thing feels, like I said, like a brand new truck. This AC though is giving me life, man. It's 100 degrees out here and it's damn near 5 o'clock. It makes no sense being this hot. But anyway, we back rolling. The truck is good to go. We are about to get towing with this thing. I'm so excited. Hope y'all ready for more drift content, cause it's on the way.